I sincerely hope that we are not harassed, bullied, threatened, internet trolled purposefully and wrongfully more. Other people to my left when I exited my place, those other people had nothing greater to do than be stalkers, internet trolling, by mail, and all other wear. Pardon? I think they're over here. There's some here and there's some there. Oh, here's a good book. Did I see that right? Young Forever. Oh, I like that title. Should get that. The secrets to living your longest, healthiest life. Well, that's not looking younger as far as I'm concerned. I'm good in my... Pardon? I am going to end my vlog now. Hope you like this one.